Guys, today is the day. It's finally going to be here. After ordering through the pre-order event, the phone is finally going to be arriving today. And no, I am talking about no ordinary phone. We are talking about the monster among men. The one and only, the not so expensive, the one that was supposed to be the flagship killer, the company that went on to become a flagship phone but are back on their roots. The one and only OnePlus NORD. Are we talking about the 6GB version? No. Are we talking about the 8GB version? Nope. We are talking about the best of the best, the cream of the crop, the 12GB version, the best this phone has to offer. So in this video I will be unboxing that phone, I will use it, I will be talking about its pros, and after using it for some time I will be talking about its cons. So we can see the best features this phone has to offer through the 12GB variant, and if it has any problem you can rest assured the other version are going to have the same problems but on a larger scale. This phone comes at an unbelievable price of just under 30,000, which if you convert to USD is just under 400. So comparing to the phones in this price range, this phone is an exceptional model. Now this phone also supports 5G, which in India currently no other phone does. So if you are planning to switch to 5G when it comes to India, this is the way forward. This phone also has 2.4 GHz octa-core processor with Snapdragon 765 and Adreno 620, which means you can game at an exceptionally high quality and smooth for long amount of time. This phone also has an AMOLED display and also a 90Hz refresh rate, which means your games for prolonged amount of time should run as smooth as ever. Now let's talk about all the cameras. The back camera on this phone is a quad camera which consists of 48 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 camera, which should give you all the wide, the depth and all the night time, all kinds of different ranges as you desire. The front camera, which was supposed to be 25 MP before but got changed to 32 plus 8. So big up OnePlus for changing that after listening to the criticism or the reviews. They did quickly change that, so yeah, props to them for that. The front camera is an 32 plus 8, which should give you 40 megapixels and extra crisp clear qualities for all your selfies as you need. It also has a wide and night and all the different kinds of modes, so yeah, that should cover all the needs you have. Both of the cameras, front and back, can record in the 4K quality. The back camera can record it in 30 FPS while the front camera can record it at an amazing 4K 60 fps. This phone contains an 4115 mAh batteries and a 30 watts fast charging, which means it should just charge your phone under half an hour. Seems unbelievable, but that's what it says. Only one way to find out after charging and testing it. So let's go to the unboxing and video comparison. Yep. You got it?
Hey.
Okay, bye.
Excuse me?
Oh wait, that's my sister. Hi. Right, now that the package is here, we can see that it's been sealed from all sides. As you can see here, it's been sealed properly. Here's the proper packaging number. I'll have to blur that of course, but yeah, here's the barcode. We have to give an OTP to the delivery guy, so yeah, safe to say it's been secured and it was meant only for us. So I'll let you do the honors. Come on in, have a seat. Ready? Let's do this. Away from you. No. Go on.
Lights are red and they're sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare. Lights are red and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. Lights are red and they're sweat.
Jeez! Let's go. Finally. Jeez! Alright, alright. Go on, give us a two. Give us a two. You're supposed to swipe left, right.
Who?
Nope, not the news. Alright. Wait, how many apps does this have already? So many
Instagram.
pre-installed apps.
Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, everything is there.
Yeah, too many apps for my liking.
Netflix.
I mean, do you have a subscription?
Yes, I do. Prime Video.
Give me that then.
I mean,
Sharing is caring. What you mean?
I mean, it's not my account.
I
It's
mean,
friendly, so-
we don't have to discuss that. Just saying. Fine. I wanna test your phone against me. My best camera versus its best camera.
Are you sure? Wanna
I mean,
go for it?
I really am not, but
Okay then.
for the content. I mean, why are we recording me? It's not like I'm gonna look good in any of this. Aren't we supposed to record some cinematics instead? Yeah, let's do that.
Lights are red and there's sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare. Lights are red and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. Lights are red and there's sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare. Lights are red and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. One other thing I dare. Lights are red and there's time to your embrace. Another dare.
And zoom. Whoa. Different time. After using this phone for 2 whole days, now let's talk about all the cons and the problems you will be facing by when you are going to use this phone. If you are going to use this phone, if you decide to buy it, you should know what you're in for. So first and foremost, this phone does not have an headphone jack. I know majority of the phones now, they do not, but this really bugs me. I am absolutely used to just plugging my earphones in while running and just going ham at it, and just not having that, using Bluetooth headphones all the time. Yeah, that is a problem for me. Also, this phone does not come with an adapter, so if you do wanna just plug your headphone in through the charging cable, you are going to have to buy a separate adapter. It does not come with the phone. But the battery, oh, the battery really does not seem to be performing up to the mark. When using it for longer periods, it usually just heats up and it does not seem to last as long as I was expecting. I know it's supposed to be 4.1K, but yeah, it heats up and lasts, but really not that much as I did expected it. Now the main problem which many of you would not realize is that the two of the back cameras, the 5 megapixel and the 2 megapixel camera, they just don't work. They are just gimmick cameras. They're there to make you feel good that it's a quad camera, although the video is good, but they're just there for show. They're just a gimmick. They're there to make you feel good having a quad camera. That is all. Now comparing all the pros and the cons, I will say this phone is definitely a buy. It will get used to it. Yes, I do agree that it takes some time to get used to it. The system is complex as it is really in depth. You have to explore each and everything, and it will take some time getting used to it, but once you get used to it, really does feel good. Comparing to other phone in this price range, this phone is an absolute deal. You should definitely go for it. If you want to watch different videos, they will be at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and peace.
Hey you! Yes, you! Are you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? No? Well then you definitely should. It's free. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now! Or your mom's a hoe.